In this section of the video, I want to show you how to use the pressure gauge. You should receive the pressure gauge in a box that looks like this. It's the best idea because of the gauge. The gauges are very fragile to leave them in the box, but for demonstration purposes, I just wanted to take it out and show you. So in there is some instructions. The phone that was on top of the gauge. I'm just going to set that aside for now. These are the two components. We've got our gauge here and our plug. We always want to test a pump. We want to test it double pumping. So we're just going to take this plug and push it in there. Doesn't matter which side that it's on. And then take this other plug and we're going to put it right into our other flange. I'm actually going to hold this closer to the video. We're going to turn it on. Okay. So you can see we're getting to about 100 millimeters of negative pressure. Our pump is on its lowest setting. So keep an eye on the gauge. As I increase this, you'll actually hear this air that's kind of hissing. You'll hear that get a little quieter because basically we're just covering up. As we turn this up, we're turning up the pressure. Less air is leaking out right here, causing more pressure. Okay. That's about medium pressure. And then I'm just going to go ahead and put it on the maximum. And you should be somewhere right in that yellow for the maximum pressure. And here again, this is all personal preference for the mom. If you're simply doing a pressure test, when the pump comes back, just test it on high. I recommend that you have a kit that you use for testing that you know works, and just use that for every pump that comes back. Okay. So I want to show you a couple of things that can happen. Now you're going to get the pressure, same pressure on any size bottle. So if you got a smaller bottle or a shorter bottle, or a taller 8-ounce bottle, that's not going to won't affect your pressure. However, if you don't have a duckbill valve on there, you get no pressure. So let's say mom was getting some help putting her kit back together and somebody forgot to put one of the duckbill valves on it, get no pressure. So quick troubleshooting, unscrew this, make sure there's a duckbill valve in there. Alright. There we go. Same goes for our offset valve. If they don't have that little piece on there, we get no pressure. So that's a quick troubleshooting thing, just to make sure that that's on there. Put our duckbill valve back on there. And that's a simple pressure test. Thank you.